Ever wondered how Elon Musk, a man with no formal education in rocket science, learned it all? Let's delve into the curious case of this extraordinary individual. Born in Pretoria, South Africa, Musk displayed an early interest in computing and entrepreneurship. He co-founded Zip2, a city guide software company, which was sold for a whopping $300 million in 1999. Next, he helped establish PayPal, the online payments giant, which was sold for a staggering $1.5 billion in 2002. Yet, despite these remarkable achievements, there was no indication that Musk had any formal education in rocket science. Indeed, his resume would suggest a career in Silicon Valley rather than a leap into the cosmos. So, how did this entrepreneur end up leading one of the most innovative space companies in the world? Stay tuned as we unravel this mystery in the upcoming scenes. Elon Musk, a man of many talents, took it upon himself to master the science of rockets, a feat that might seem impossible to some, but for Musk, it was just another challenge to be tackled head-on. He set out on a self-learning journey that would outshine any traditional education. Musk consumed books like a black hole, absorbing all the information they contained. He spoke to industry experts, picking their brains to gain insights that he could not get from books alone. This man, known for his ability to understand and dissect complex topics, dedicated himself to learning everything there was to know about rocket science. It was not a mere hobby, but a mission driven by his unwavering belief that humans are destined to become a multiplanetary species. His thirst for knowledge and relentless determination led him to create SpaceX, a company that is now revolutionizing space travel. With a solid understanding of rocket science, Musk was ready to take on the final frontier, space. So, in 2002, Space Exploration Technologies, or SpaceX, was born. It was a rocky start, to say the least. Initial attempts to launch the Falcon 1 were met with failure after failure. Yet Musk, with his self-taught knowledge of rocket science, persisted. He studied the failures, learned from them, and applied his knowledge to make each subsequent attempt better. Finally, in September of 2008, after 3 unsuccessful launches, the Falcon 1 successfully reached orbit. It was a turning point, not just for SpaceX, but for commercial space travel as a whole. With this success, Musk proved that a private company could indeed venture into space. Elon Musk, a man with no formal education in rocket science, taught himself the science, started SpaceX, and is now leading the charge in space exploration. His story is a testament to the power of curiosity and self-learning.